word friends. Hope you all enjoy it, right? You'll all smile and everything. Okay, I'll start. What is friendship? It is actually a relationship of mutual affection between two or more people. It is a bond after parental bondage and pair bonding. After friendship is a stronger form of interpersonal bond. The word friendship, it is derived from the word three languages. It's Old English, Dutch and German, and the way it came as friend. What the meaning of friend is to love. To share love is the meaning of friend. We all know the famous proverb that a friend in need is a friend indeed. I just don't feel like to explain it, right? The main characteristics of friendship. It's affection, sympathy, empathy, honesty, understanding, enjoyment, and ability to be oneself without fear and judgment, right? If we don't have friends, really, we'll be emotionally damaging ourselves. Like people who don't have friends will be struggling from heart diseases, viral infection, and then and cancer. It is not my point of view. It is what is taken by the senses, okay? And don't just laugh. And what is friendship? It cannot be created and artificially, right? The friend whom we have, it is not like the bond is not created artificially. It just came from our heart. Then if we have a good friend, the person will be the best person in the world. Everyone knows it. Okay, stages in friendship. It is of 4 stages. That is a childhood stage, adolescent, and then adulthood stage and old age stage. When we say that childhood stage, it is of sharing toys and then performing activities together. We'll be playing, we'll be sharing affection. We don't know what is wrong and what is right in our friends. We just love to be with them together. And then in adolescent stages, that is what we are going on now. That we'll be facing many problems and our mentally health problems and many problems if we don't have good friends. Am I right or wrong? And then if we have good friends, we'll be very happy, we'll not have any problem, we'll not have any stress and everything. They'll be with us all the time and they'll just guide us in a good way. And then in adulthood stage, that is after marriage and career development and everything, the stage is from young adulthood and then to middle adulthood. The one who is maintaining friendship in workplaces, they normally don't have much faith in, not faith, they'll only feel like having value of financial security. They'll not show much interest in having friendship because they just want to earn money for their family and blah blah everything. And to be frank, the person who have friendship in adulthood stage, they'll be having normally and averagely only 2 close friends, not like us now. And then old age, that is how when the responsibilities are mostly less, and then we'll be very free. That our child will be got married, and then we'll be very free. They'll be having a bondage of good friendship, and that friendship will be continuing till our death. And I'm not saying that what the friendship we have now will not continue. And the person in carrying friendship in the old age, they'll not have any. They'll not show the interest in earning money and everything. They'll be free and they'll be maintaining a good friendship. And then the person who won't go out of home, they'll be keep on chatting. Mostly we'll be seeing our grandparents, right? They'll be keep on chatting with someone nearby and they'll say we are close friends from childhood. They'll be enjoying that age. And then the main thing is the declining health problem. The person who is declining a health problem, if they have a good friendship, that they'll not feel that we have the problem in ourselves. They'll be very enthusiastic in life. Making a friendship, it is like near enough to see each other. It is of main 3 characteristics. Near enough to see each other and do things together, and then repeatedly encountering the person without knowing. Informally, we are seeing that person, and we'll share ideas. Advantages. The one thing I like to say is the topic, with whatever we choose in our life, it will be having merits and demerits. Whatever topic we'll be choosing in our life, but to me and to everyone, I think friendship will not have any disadvantages until we have bad friendship. That too, if we have bad friendship, it is not that we should get rid of them. We should try to make them into a good friend, right? That is what we all do. And advantages is improve health and then free from mental stresses, enhance enthusiasm, get rid of worriness and tension free, guide for success and everything. When we plan something in our friend's life, we'll be planning many things. Unknowingly, we should be giving many surprises to our friends during birthday celebration and everything. We'll be planning a lot. But that friend will be very very consciousness in finding our plans. And once it's them, okay, they said should not play the video, but again, I wish I just playing for you. And then to say when we are in a bad mood, we'll be in a very stressful condition that we'll not talk to anyone in the family and we'll not share anything to our parents or our grandparents. They'll be talking to us a lot, but we'll not say a single word to them. But until and unless a friend comes home and we just plan for a silly thing and it will be becoming a very great thing and we'll have a lot of memories in it. I'll show another one. And then what else? We'll not have any words. We'll laugh for unnecessary reasons. We'll be having lots of fun. But this is not only friendship. We people think that friendship is only meant for chat, and the main stage of friendship in adulthood sense, that is the adolescent stage, we'll be only chatting in WhatsApp and we'll be Facebooking, we'll be chatting to unknown persons. That is not alone friendship. We'll be having a great bond in friendship which cannot be explained at all. I like to share an incident. I had a close friend during 12th standard, and two friends, her name is Prabha and then Snega. When they planned to go outing, and then unfortunately their car got met with an accident and Snega was dead. Actually the car was driven by Balaji, another friend of them. He felt that it is only his cause that the accident was made, and he felt a lot that I will not continue my studies, I will not come for college, and everybody will see me like this and that, and I will not come. He just felt a lot. But before his birthday, their friends planned something new, and then they just want them to get him back in his stage, that they just don't want to lose only one friend. They lost Nega, and then they just don't want to lose Balaji also, and they just did into the college, and he's now studying well, and he's free from stress and everything. He's back to form actually. And this is not only the thing that we can only make them by playing some videos and playing kiddish things. And these people, they started a NGO like Snegam. It is called Snegam. You can also go and see in the Facebook. On behalf of Snega, they have created this one that is called Snegam, and they are just going and creating awareness in schools, and they will be helping people hereafter also. And this is also a side of friendship that we have to be proud of our friends. Okay, hope this is August, and we all know this Sunday will be our friendship day, right? So advance happy friendship day for everyone. And to be frank and to say, many of them will not, we haven't spoke with our friends for years and months, we will not be speaking with them right till now. I kindly request you that our life is just once, we will be living our life only once, and we should not develop any revenge or anything on our friends, and we just want to talk to them back again, and we just want to live our life happily with our friends and families and everyone. Any questions? Any sort of questions? No one has any question in this. And okay, I'll take the stage and I'll take this opportunity to ask thanks and sorry to all my friends if I have hurt you at any point of view or anything. I'm humbly sorry, and I really feel very grateful for having you all as my friends. Okay, you can ask me questions. Or else you'll not put me mark here. Please ask me any questions. Okay, do you enjoy this? No, it's then please ask me any fun question.
Why do we celebrate Friendship Day in first Sunday of August?
It is not, to me, it is not that we should only celebrate on this Sunday. To me, every day is Friendship Day, right? I'll just reference it. Okay, then I'll ask question to the people sitting here, okay? Shall I ask any question? Okay, then Ravan. Now, to whom you wish to say sorry or thanks, you can take this opportunity.
I want to say sorry to you. Many times I hurt you.
Not like that. Okay. Thanks. Can I leave then? No one is asking questions.
I thought from family reunion might happen, but no one is asking questions. So nice plan.
Okay, then Log Ganesh. I just said one information at last, right? Is it valuable or? Huh? I hope you just listen to me, PPT, right? No. I'm attracted to it. Okay. So, you know what your point of view is. Like, we just want to speak to our friends hereafter, which should not. Is it valuable or? It's okay, right?
Without hurting them, right?
Then you'll take my advice also, right? We all will be as friends forever, right? And if you people didn't ask me any question, I'll just ask everyone then.